So if you get audited by the IRS and your audit closes and you end up owing money, you get an assessment. Will you have to report that to the Franchise Tax Board in California? The answer is yes. And if you don't, what happens is the FTB will find out anyways. It's just a matter of time. It might take them a year or two, but the FTB will not have any time limits on when they can assess you. So 5 years down the road, if they say, hey, by the way, we just found out you had an audit 5 years ago that concluded and you owe an extra $100K to the IRS or whatever the amount, they're going to look at the additional income that was assessed, right? How much additional income do they find? The Franchise Tax Board will carry that over, and now you'll owe money to the state of California. So the benefit of doing it within 6 months of closure of the IRS audit is you don't lose or waive any potential rights you have to petition or fight that assessment. So even if you do lose with the IRS, you potentially could get a second bite at the apple and provide documents and work through those issues with the Franchise Tax Board. That's one benefit. The other is if you actually do owe the money, the longer you wait, there's going to be taxes and penalties and interest. The penalties and interest are going to accrue while that time elapses. So you're going to have to make an assessment of whether you really think you owe it or not. But best thing to do is just have somebody representing you, and then also when you get notice from the Franchise Tax Board, if it's within 6 months, or if you don't hear from them, then maybe either file an amended return or notify them and file a petition, basically to argue that you're disputing the results that you had in your IRS audit. So anyways, those are some of the pros and cons. I hope this information was helpful. I'm John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. Feel free to call us if you have any questions.